Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have both Cardo Spirit units powered on and ready. Now put them into intercom pairing mode. Press and hold the intercom button on the first device until the LED flashes and you hear a pairing tone. Once you see the indicator, immediately press and hold the intercom button on the second unit to do the same. Make sure both are within about 1 meter so Bluetooth can establish the link without interference. This short distance speeds discovery and pairing. After both units are in pairing mode, listen for the confirmation tone and watch the LED change to a steady state. That tells you the intercom link is formed. Once linked, speak a short test sentence so you can verify audio clarity and directionality. If one side is quiet, use the jog wheel or volume control on that unit to balance levels. Once the audio is clear, press the intercom button briefly to end pairing mode and start normal operation. You're essentially locking in the connection. To complete the process, perform a final full test. Start streaming background music and then switch to intercom to confirm seamless handoff. If something goes wrong, reboot both units first. A quick power cycle often clears transient issues. If rebooting doesn't help, reset the intercom pairing on both Cado Spirit devices and repeat the pairing steps. This clears any stale links. Finally, make sure firmware is current so the devices hold connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.